All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So starting out at the beginning of the day, I was wondering how I was going to pipe out of that box over to the other side over here. And then I realized that this junction box over here was on the same circuit, so I didn't have to do that. So I just put a box extension on that, octagon box extension, and then piped out on the ceiling over straight down to the beam over here, placed a box for as a junction box for these two lights that are going to be coming in. I haven't hung any of the lights yet, just working on the piping. These old lights are just hanging there, literally like wrapped around pipes and stuff, super ghetto. So we're working on fixing that. So set a box right there, and then had to do a little offset, just a tiny bit to get into the pipe clips, and then did another 45, 45, 90. I'm not sure what those are called, so if you could help me out, that'd be great. Set another box right here, just because I was gonna have to take a whole bunch of bends into the light on the wall. So I did offset around the beam support, and then did a 90 down the wall, another 90, then I kicked a 90 over here, and then I didn't quite get that installed yet because I have to take out the little stoppers, and I didn't have the right tool for that. But I will get that done on Friday or on Monday, and then get that pipe installed and then strap it to the wall. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Did have a good day. And these 10-hour days are kind of just flying by, so that's really nice. Finally got some parts about 10 or 11 in the morning, and then they were also the wrong parts, so still don't have the right parts to do half of the job, so that's unfortunate. So we'll get those on Monday. Hopefully every time we go to the store, they get it wrong, the order wrong every single time, literally every single time. I don't think they've ever gotten an order right in the 9 years that I've been working as an electrician. So these people need to stop shopping at the store because they're the worst ever. Anyways, so I'm going to start working on piping out of that box that I showed you at the beginning of the video that I was working on yesterday. Gonna pipe out of the top of that, but I need the side clips, the 90-degree angled side clips, the side mount bang on pipe clips. So need those, so hopefully get those early on Monday so I can start working on that. Like I said yesterday, I'm kind of working on the east side between the two boilers, and then my coworker's working on the west side between the other machines or whatever. I don't know what they're called. But anyways, really tricky to get in there if you slow the video down or go back and check it out. If you check it out, really impossible to get ladders in there between all these machines. So it was a struggle, and I was literally trying not to burn my face or anything because I was like inches away from super hot pipes or stuff like that. So I was trying not to melt my face and permanently scar my face for the rest of my life. So that was fun. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in. Also, when I was strapping those pipes on the ceiling, I probably should, I wanted to do that like at the end of the day or something like that, but it was kind of right at the beginning of the day. I was working on doing the sheetrock anchors, and that stuff just rained sheetrock down all over me and kind of got me all, it wasn't really itchy, but it just got me all dirty at the beginning of the day. It kind of upset me, so I wanted to strap it later at the end of the day, which I should have done, but I was trying to like finish my work as I went. But anyways, that'll do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day tomorrow, great rest of your night. I know it's kind of late, sorry for the late upload, but had to go somewhere as soon as I got home, so didn't have time to make a video. So here we are, and thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Giveaway here in a couple days once we hit 7,000. Can't wait to give back to you guys. And as always, if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and I'd appreciate the support, and it would help the YouTube algorithm. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out.